You have to do your Bruno Mars.
Yeah. Hey, tonight.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the daily vlog. Today we've got a special vlog for you guys. Today we are diving Mataking Island. So you guys know the laydown today. There's gonna be scuba diving, there's gonna be awesome GoPro footage. So if you've just tuned in, make sure you subscribe down below. So the east side of Borneo is one of the top 10 diving destinations in the world. So the next few days is gonna be absolutely amazing. So for the next couple of days, I'll be diving with Scuba Junkie. They're just getting ready at the back there, getting some things on the boat. So enough yapping from me, and let's get this day started.
Straight to the Mataking Island.
Mataking.
Take around 50 minutes to 1 hour.
Alright, we have made it to Mataking Island. 1 hour boat ride from Borneo, and it's choppy as shit. It's a little bit windy, isn't it? I don't know how this camera's picking up the wind. I didn't bring the mic, but hopefully it's not too bad. But here it is. This is where we're gonna go diving for the day. Hopefully the wind calms down a little bit later on so I can take Mav up. But if it doesn't, and we're on this boat, I don't think I'm gonna take her up. The wind plus this little platform here, yeah, it's probably not the best idea.
I was so sure of our love. I never thought of any reason, a doubt about us, and now I'm right back at the start. Halfway through a bottle, baby.
Alright, first dive done. So not bad for a first dive. Haven't dived since April this year in Philippines. So, and my GoPro super suit held up, so no problems there. Not the dodgy one that I fixed up. But yes, definitely good to get back in the water. And then it was a bit of a, you know, with my camera and trying to sort everything out again, getting, you know, going down the water. I was a little bit like, all over the place. But then maybe 10 to 15 minutes in, then it just felt relaxed and calm, right? And then that's when I was like, I'm back, and it felt good. We just finished dive 2 and had our lunch. Pretty good lunch. Tasty. Second dive. see it. We went down 24 meters and dive time 50. Oh, we're getting up there. 50. Nice. So I saw one of the Philippine islands. It's all off in the distance over there, but that's the Philippines, close to Mindanao.
It's only take 40-minute drive.
So it's 1 o'clock now, and we're just having a bit of a break. I think like a 40-minute break or something, just to let the food sink in, go snorkeling, go swimming, chill out in the sun there.
Handsome captain.
Yeah, chilling with our handsome captain.
Handsome captain.
With the sunny shades. Oh, you have to do your singing. You have to do your Bruno Mars singing.
Yeah. Hey,
Tonight. That's so good. But yes, after we've got a third and final dive, and then after that we got to leave it by 3, because then by then it's high tide and the waves get choppy, and we don't want to be hanging around for that.
Take it easy, take it slow, take it slow. Ended up just like before, so take it easy.
Alright, and we are now back in Semporna. That last and third dive was definitely the best one out of all of them. There were literally like 20 turtles. There were just turtles everywhere. And actually like the landscape of those kind of places. And you know, first off, we saw straight away a baby white-tipped shark. It was hiding underneath that coral, so you had to get down really low, look under it, and it was just chilling at the bottom. Visibility wasn't that great, you know, it was 10 meters, 12 meters today, but that last one, if the visibility was say 20, 25 or something like that, like in Indonesia, then that would have definitely been up there. Everywhere you turned, there were turtles, and you know, they were just like chilling there, chilling at one point. There were like 3 of them. And then, you know, but these ones were quite shy, so when you got close to them, they, you know, freak out and start swimming away. And then I tried getting underneath it so I could get a proper GoPro shot with it, get a selfie, but no, they didn't want to be near people, so a bit of a shame, but it was still pretty good. Alright, so behind me here is a map. So I'll show you where we went. So that's where we are now, Semporna on the mainland, and then we went to the northern islands up to Mataking. So you could dive all these ones here as well. So tomorrow we're gonna go from there down to Kapolei, and then I'm gonna stay at Marble Island, and that's where I'm gonna chill for the next 3 nights over Christmas. And then I'm also gonna dive Sipadan, and this is the main attraction in this place. Thank you. Durian. Alright, I had a bad experience with the durian fruit and it was disgusting, but they've got durian froyo. Not as bad. It has a taste of durian, but then the only thing that makes it good is the fact that it's ice cream. But I'll get a original. So nothing like a Western dessert fix to end the day. I was gonna fly Mav and show you guys like the port and where the boat left this morning, because where the long houses are and the places out there actually looks pretty nice. But the weather's actually turned in the last 10 minutes from sunny and actually started raining and the clouds have come through, so ain't gonna happen. I bugged her around all day today and on the boat and I can't fly her, so hopefully I have a bit more luck tomorrow. Tomorrow's going to be a similar day, another full day of diving. Hopefully it's good weather and you can hear the rain come in. Thanks for joining me again, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow.